Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. This is a very good app cleaner or device cleaner application here, and it will help you clear up some storage on your device. So you have the WhatsApp cleaner option where you just delete most of your unused photo or duplicated images on your device. You have the TikTok cleaner, which pretty much clears, checks, and unwanted files on your TikTok applications. And let me tell you, TikTok takes up a lot of storage. You might not know, but it does take up a lot of storage. And as well, you can scan for applications that you may not be using often. It will pretty much scan those for you. And as well, the notification bar. If you have a bunch of applications installed on your device, most of the times people do install a lot of applications and have a lot of notification at the top. You can use this application here to remove all of those notifications using this here. All you have to do is tap on the remove now option. As well, it will scan your device. If you do want information on your device, you can pretty much use the scan feature and it will pretty much scan your device. But before you use any one of these features, do make sure you have this access here allowed, or give permission. Tap on give permission here and then tap on allow. Upon allow here, and you should be good to go. As well, you'll be able to delete any files or any videos or anything at all from the file manager option. And as well, not just videos, audios that you may not know that is on your device. As well, if you do scroll, you see other options where you can delete videos on my device that are taking up 2 GB of storage that I didn't even know that was on my device. Anyways, that's really pretty much it for the application. And if you just want to remove the AI application here, it's pretty much an AI cleaner application. You can just let it just tap on the remove option and it will remove the unnecessary documents on your device. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if I miss anything at all, and you do have this feature here, got to mention, which is the mobile.
If you keep getting bombarded by spam emails, here's a secret hack that you can use. Lets you completely unsubscribe from every single email list you do not want to be subscribed to. All you need is to swipe to get rid of all useless newsletters.
So as you can see, I've selected it and we'll tap on allow option here. Once you've done that, you pretty much have to give the application access to your data usage. Once you have done that, make sure you enable that feature. Then you'll pretty much go back and it will pretty much go ahead and analyze your data. As you can see here, I've used 1.8 GB today, and it will pretty much check how much you use, whatever the case is. You're using mobile data or you're using Wi-Fi. So very good application if you want to track your data usage and which application you're using the most data on. So that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.